You may be looking to leave an environment that is not conducive to your overall health and wellness. By default, choosing nursing as your career means that you're a caregiver. You genuinely and sincerely care about people. At TruSolace Medical Spa, we are looking for nurses who want to change their life and reconnect to the core reasons that they got into the field, to help people. This core value is the entire reason that we created TruSolace Medical Spa. To create an environment devoted to systemic wellness and supporting all of our patients in becoming their healthiest and therefore best self. Fortunately, at TruSolace Medical Spa, we have created an environment where the side effects of this work are extremely aesthetically pleasing. This means that we have created a unique environment that allows our medical team to create visible and systemic change in their own lives, enabling you to support yourself as much as you support your patient. Imagine a work environment where instead of sharing suffering, seeing our patients undergoing the same struggles over and over again, you are able to share change, growth, and expansion with them. We are able to provide this opportunity with you because we are following our own core tenements of lifestyle change, and we are raising our own standards for life. We have created a proven and lucrative sales system using the techniques, verbiage, and FDA-approved tools to give you all the success that you need to be able to fulfill the patient's needs, as well as allowing the business to fulfill your own economic needs. Because that's the truth of it. We are creating a new wave of our economy, and we want to grow our staff with only 18 players. So if you're an 18 player and are ready to up-level your life, if you feel that you're not like others in a good way and you want to prove it, this is the place that you want to be. We want to talk to you and see what it is that you bring to the literal table. This is the place where only the best is acceptable because our business and our team demand it, because that is what we provide to our patients. If you are ready to completely up-level and expand your life, we want to talk to you.